Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play LAN with friends on Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So currently right now I'm on the phone version, and so from here all we have to do is we're going to just click on play. And now from here we're going to simply either create a new world or click on edit for any world that you have. And then in the edit world you can see right here that we have the normal settings. Scroll down on the left until you see the multiplayer setting and click on it. And as you can see here in the multiplayer game, you need to enable it first on the top right. And then from the bottom, you need to make sure that this is enabled. Visible to LAN players. And these settings works exactly on the same as on a computer as on the phone. So here on the phone, I'm just going to have it like that. And we're just going to just join any server that we have, or we can just create a brand new one. Once you do that, and once you make sure that the LAN settings are visible, as you can see right here, it will put me now playing. And so from here, I'm going to now join the game from my PC. So then once you join, as long as you are on the same Wi-Fi, it will appear right here in your list. And once you click on it, then you can join directly and you can play with your friend in LAN. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.